Not alright.
It's a rare Saturday night on the block, and the teams have not only finished their build, but also completed styling.
Pretty cool.
As Luke and Jasmin add the finishing touches,
Bit of texture.
there is just one thing missing.
We need to go and get some leaves. It's not finished yet. I've got to put some leaves over in that pot.
You gotta go steal leaves off someone's tree.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm up for a mish.
We're broke and we're resourceful and we're also helpful people, so we figured we'd like to go around the local neighbourhood and prune.
You ready?
Something tells me that this mish will be filmed. Beautiful. Yeah.
Wait. We thought we were undercover because we didn't have any high vis on. We were like,
Yeah.
Which house are you guys in? Hey? Which house are you guys in?
I turned around, I was like, oh no, quick. I was like, get out of here. And it was the next door neighbour. Oh, how are you, mate?
It's Coon for beer?
No, I'm gonna get some.
No, I'm just next door anyway, I'm just here.
turns out he invited us in for some drinks and a barbecue and to meet the whole family. So we love Brighton residents.
No, I can't, mate. Reveal a room tomorrow morning.
Got some nice beers.
Oh, mate, I'd love to, but I'm Jimmy. Barbecues and banana leaves. And beers.
I was literally in my eye. I was like, so
I was
sorry.
like, nah, you're good, brother.
I was
All
like,
good, mate.
I'm in my own
All
boots.
good, mate. Operation Banana Leaf was successful.
Da-da-da-da. Nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see here.